Good morning, guys. Since it is almost New Year's 2024, let us have a little TLC morning. I know it sounds so cliche, but I've been going, and my body is feeling it. My body is saying, yo, just calm down and relax. I'm gonna do just that this morning and take care of my skin. Obviously, I just washed my hair and just do some stuff that I enjoy. I already just feel like I need it to recoup and get back into the day before I have to go back on the road to get some last minute things because I'm going to a party. Something is telling me try going to a party this year, so I'm gonna do that. Obviously, I'm going to have to get some stuff. I don't have the shoes for my dress, so I'm gonna look around if I find any shoes. If not, I'm just gonna wear what I have, and hopefully it does not leave me on the roadside, because the shoes that I was thinking of wearing that I already have is kind of really uncomfortable after a while, and chances are we'll be standing the entire time. So anyhow, let's get into this self-care morning.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, or change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time.
Hi guys, so I am downstairs. Oh no, I have not had anything to eat, and because I played tennis this morning, I am really hungry. So I'm going to make myself a bagel and tuna something. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna try to do it real quick so I can eat something. And then I wanted to paint my nails. Like I said, getting ready for the New Year party, and I can't bother stress out last minute, so I'm gonna do that, and then I guess I'd be ready to head on the road. So just giving you guys an update, just checking in. Hope you guys are doing well and enjoying it so far. Yeah, look at my skin. It's
It's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am a
Hi, this is bittersweet because I decided to create a series of like my future self I'm gonna do it on a yearly basis and see the progress I've made. So this is me, December 2022. I'll be talking to my future self, 2023. Let's see how it goes. Hi.
Hey,
You look great, by the way.
thank you.
You look great. Guys, as I said, December 2023, a whole year has happened, and yeah, it's it's gonna be okay. First question is, did you change jobs? Are we still doing the same job? Tell me, because I really want to know. I have high hopes that better must come, but from the days now, I would like to know if we switch jobs, if we're happy, or if we're doing the same thing, or we went on to greener grass. Yeah, we changed jobs, and it was the best decision of my life. It was the best decision. That's what I would say. To this day, I am still looking back at the year, and I'm like, yeah, I'm so grateful. I'm grateful. Praise our God. I love that for you. I love that for you. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Because that was the biggest thing. Our job was stressing us out. So I'm so happy that you made the step to change and you are happy. Do we travel this year? Yeah, we did. We did. We traveled again to the same place. To the same place, but I know next year we're going to be traveling more. We're going to be going to different countries, experiencing that. Did we move out? No, we didn't move out. We didn't move out. Wanted to, but we didn't move out. And your money, is your money up? Are you bankrupt? Girl, the money has to stay up. I am not bankrupt. Bankruptcy is not in my vocabulary. But yeah, I was heavy on the savings. I was heavy on the low expenditure, and I'm also doing investments because your girl is a whole adult, and the adulting just keeps on adulting. So I'm saving, I'm investing, and all that good stuff. How are you spiritually? Did we get closer to God? Did we fall out? What, what, I would love to know, because sometimes I feel like I'm not where I should be, and hopefully I realize that and work on it in 2023. So how was that? Spiritually, it was a growing curve. I learned a lot about myself, and most times I had to draw on God for help, God for guidance, and God for strength. Right now, yeah, it's not where it was when you were here. Progress we made. How's your relationship? Got nothing to worry about with that. Got nothing to worry about with that. How is your mental health? Did you deal with that differently? Are we still extremely emotional? Do we get over things easier? Do we get in arguments? Do we get upset? Do we internalize and everything? How are we emotions and mental health? It's a work in progress. I am not where I used to be, but it's a work in progress. I have more to do, I have more to learn about myself, and I have more to not just learn not to react with certain things, because sometimes it's not me. Certain things, sometimes the other person is just projecting on me, and I just need to not take it so personally. but I'm not where I was. The big question, are you happy? Are you happier than where we are today, December 2022? Because I know that we have been dealing with a lot. We can say that we're happy. We came to grips with our demons, majority of them, and we're happier. Last question. Do you have any advice for me? Because out here in the Gideon, I am stressing out. And I would love some advice if you'd give it to me. And I'm not gonna find out per se until like later in life. But for what it's worth, is there any advice you can give me right now? It's going to be okay. I know it feels and sounds very cliche, but take it from me, it's going to be okay. The stuff that you are stressing about, the things that have been having you in a chokehold, it's going to be okay. And you're going to call on God more, and you'll be in a better place mentally, spiritually, emotionally, financially, and everything else. So what you're stressing about now, it's inconsequential. Thank you. You're welcome. I really appreciate it. This really helps. I can feel it. I can feel it. I look forward to seeing what happens, and I look forward to the journey because it's never a dull moment with you. So I'll see you next. Okay, mama. That's it for my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going out on the road right now to fight with the people that are going to be trying to find some last minute outfits for New Year's Eve. So I'm just gonna rush and get my shoes and then be set. I hope you guys enjoyed, like I said, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.
I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me? Honor me.